Hi everyone and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet with Ayesha. Today this video is gonna be very interesting because I will teach you in this video a single parandi, how to make a single parandi. So first you have to create a slip knot, then you have to create the chains as you have to require as long. So I create the chains which I required. Now I created many of the chains which I required. This is up to you how much you require chains. Then the next step is to create the slip stitch. You can skip the first chain and insert your hook into the second chain and create the single crochet. If you have any confusion that what is slip knot and what is single crochet, what is double crochet, then don't worry. You can watch my previous video. I will teach basics and you clearly understand, and then you have to create easily any project. So I create the single crochet in each chain. In this parandi, you can style this parandi in many different ways, like you can use in hijab, you can use in your head, and you can use like a belt, or they can help you in your room decoration. So this project is very interesting to all of you. And now I create the single crochet in each chain. Now the next process is to insert our bead in this chain. So I stretch this loop and I have a plastic wire which I insert this bead. So let's start. This is a plastic wire which I use to insert this bead into this chain. So I insert this one side of the plastic wire insert into the loop, and then I match this and insert my one bead into this wire. Now I insert this bead into the both of the wire sides, and then wire can be used to insert this bead into my yarn. So that's why I use this plastic wire. Now they can easily insert into my yarn of the loop. So I remove this plastic wire and then I insert my hook into this loop and stretch the yarn to tighten. Now insert the hook and stretch the yarn. Now we're gonna go to the next chain and create a single crochet. I insert my hook into the next chain and create a single crochet like this. Like this, your bead can be adjusted like this, and then I created many of the single crochet. Now they looks like this. Now I complete this project and I adjust the beads in every, basically the space which in both of the beads I have 22 single crochet in the middle of the beads. Now we have to go to the next step, which is create the heart. So round your yarn like this into your fingers and create the magic ring. Now your magic ring is created and create the one chain. Now this is our one chain, and then we have to create the double crochet. This is our first double crochet. you have to create the 3 double crochet firstly. This is our first double crochet, and now we're gonna go to second double crochet, and then there is our third double crochet, and now we have to start half double crochet. This is our first double crochet. You can insert your hook into the all of the loops. Now there is our first half double crochet, and there is our second double crochet, and now last, which is the third half double crochet. So create the first chain like this, and then reverse the process. Like you have to create the first 3 half double crochet. This is first half double crochet, then second half double crochet, and then third half double crochet. And we're going to the next step, which is 3 double crochet. This is our first double crochet, and now second double crochet and third double crochet, now I complete these stitches and then stitch the small piece of yarn. They can be compressed and create the 2 chains, and insert the middle of the heart and create the slip stitch like this, and then cut this extra yarn, and then remove your extra yarn and stretch this heart, and then it's look like a cute mini heart. Now I created all the hearts like the previous method, and then the next process is to attach the hearts into my this, which I previously built, this strap. So I use UHU glue, and you can use any other glue which you have easily glue, and you can use you can adjust your glue into your back of the heart in like vertical, right? So you can paste this like, and now our parandi is ready. Look at this. In off camera it's look like very pretty, but I don't know you how you look like this in on camera, but literally off camera it just look like very pretty. So the next step is that you can round your yarn into your 4 fingers like this. Now this step is going to be very good for your parandi style. And now you can cut this into the one side, and now I cut this, and the side I place it into side, and then I insert the one side of my crochet. Don't be insert your crochet into the heart, only insert the back of the strap, and insert your yarn like this to adjust your beads. Now cut this extra yarn, and then the next step is to insert the beads. I use three beads to insert this. Then I use again the plastic wire, which can easily insert my bead into the yarn. So I insert this plastic wire to both of the loop like this, and now match these two wires and then insert the bead into the plastic wire like this. Oops, don't worry, you can insert again your yarn into this plastic wire like this. Then they can be insert into your yarn, and then remove your yarn which is in the bead like this, and same as you can insert these two beads into this yarn like this. So I insert all of the beads in my yarn, and the next step is very interesting for you. You have to adjust your this yarn into like this, and then adjust this, and you can 3 times tight that don't be released, and then balance, and again the piece of small yarn and tighten like this. Now I cut this into the, first we balance this and then cut the extra yarn into over. Now it's ready. Your project is completed, and I hope you can enjoy a lot of this project, and I wish you can create this parandi. And if you have to create this, and give me in the comment which colors you like to create this project. So look at this, literally it's so amazing. So thank you for watching, and I will be see you soon in my next video.